Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again. You know, we always do like humidifiers on this channel, but we never did a purifier. So here's the first purifier we have for our channel. It's called the VeWior Air Purifier by VeWiorLife.com. First purifier we did. So let's unbox this baby and see what we got here. As you can see, the air purifier's got 3-stage filtration system. It's a HEPA H13 air purifier, and you can put fragrance in. It's a fragrance diffuser too. It has a digital display. This is model HQSC50. As you can see, high efficiency, low noise, and energy saver. So let's unbox this baby and see what we got in it. Of course, you have the manual. Right here you have the air filter. It's an X1 air filter, so when you get your replacement air filters, make sure you get the right model. Air purifier X1. You got the power adapter right here, and you just unscrew this from the bottom to get out your power cord and everything right from the bottom here. Air filter, you know, this is it just to show you, but that stays in, and then that's where you'll put your replacement in here. It also has, you know, digital controls on the front. You see the air inlets here, the body shell, and you put your essential oils right here on top. This little area right here on the top, that's where you drop your essential oils right inside there. Here's your control panel right here on the front. The control panel has 3 speeds, 3 different wind speeds. It also has a sleep mode, has 6 different timers that you can set. And it also has a filter reminder, so it'll remind you when you have to replace your filter. And then also, you know, you just set it up, turn it on to whatever your desired, you know, settings are, and then you can clean your entire home. This is what we call a whole house filter. Unless you got a extremely big house, probably would recommend too. You just, like I say, just put drops of essential oils at the top, turn that baby on, and then you're ready to go. This is an unboxing of it. We're going to use it for a while, let you know how it works and how it do. This is the first purifier we really had, so we're going to check it out for a little while. Then we're going to come back with a follow-up video on it, let you guys know how it works. This is the VeWior Air Purifier. As always, you know we're going to have a link in the description for this, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and we're going to see you on the next one.